Why mediumship can decrease or disappear. In Chapter 17 of the second part of the Book of Mediums, Allan Kardec addresses a topic that many people find surprising: the loss or suspension of mediumship. According to Kardec, mediumship is not a permanent and unchanging faculty. Like other human abilities, it can vary over time. Some mediums report periods when their perceptions or communications seem to diminish or even temporarily disappear. Kardec explains that this can occur for various reasons. One of them is the emotional state of the medium themselves. Fatigue, worry, mental tension, or emotional imbalance can influence the ability to concentrate and perceive. Another factor may be the need for a natural pause in the mediumistic process. Kardec suggests that, in some cases, the temporary suspension of mediumship can serve as a period of learning or reflection, allowing the medium to reassess their stance and how they handle this faculty. He also warns that mediumship should not be viewed as a personal power. When the medium begins to seek recognition, prestige, or personal advantage, this can negatively interfere with the balance necessary for the responsible exercise of mediumship. Today, psychology also recognizes that cognitive and perceptual abilities can vary depending on various factors. Concentration, creativity, intuitive perception, and other mental capacities can increase or decrease according to emotional state, stress level, or environmental conditions. Neuroscience demonstrates that the human brain functions dynamically, constantly adapting to circumstances. Therefore, periods of lower activity or sensitivity are not necessarily signs of a definitive loss of ability. Kardec recommends that the medium face these phases with calmness. Forcing experiences or trying to provoke phenomena can lead to frustration and misinterpretations. Perhaps the greatest lesson from this passage is to understand that inner balance is more important than any phenomenon. Mediumship, when it exists, should go hand in hand with maturity, humility, and responsibility. If this reflection on the loss or suspension of mediumship has broadened your understanding of this aspect of mediumistic study, share this content with those seeking to understand mediumship with serenity and discernment.